Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can replace the motor for the rear window on Nissan Elgrand E51. This is a 2006 model. I have just now managed to change the motor for the rear window, this one, the extreme back. So this is the old one, it was not working, and I have installed the new one. Now you can check. Oh, right now. So it's working now. Fortunately, I did not make this video while I was doing the changeover, but I have tried finding this video regarding the change of this motor, but I couldn't find it anywhere on YouTube. So I thought this video will help others who are looking to change this motor. So to begin with, I have removed this handle from here, from the top. So unscrew these Phillips screws, put it down, and then take this one out. Just pull it out, remove the rear seat belt. I'll put this back in quickly. So once you remove this seat belt, remove the seat belt in the middle one as well, and then remove this. To remove it, you pull this part out and then just pull it simply, and open this part with a screwdriver over here, and then there will be two black color holders over here. So you just push them in the middle, pull it out. So this part will be loose, and then so pull this part out and then pull this part out, the top plastic. So you pull it out. So when you're pulling this one out, there will be a lock over here, right, joining this one and this one. So what I did, I pulled this part out first. You have to hold it from the top and then pull it towards you. So the top one will come out, and then you lift it. Make sure there is a cable right here for that button, so be careful. So once you pull it out, and then you just unplug it with the plug there, so this part can be put away, and then unhook the bottom plastic with the top plastic on the corner there, over here, and then pull it up from here, and then pull it outwards, and then pull it downwards from here, and then you'll be able to see the motor in here. There will be two screws. Unscrew those, and so when changing, make sure you don't do anything with this plastic, because it will be damaged. There is no screws in here, so this corner is like this. So the screws motor is on the body like that, and then this one is like this. So this clip-on thing is connecting the motor with the glass. So when you unscrew these from the one screw on the top, one screw on the bottom, and then gently pull it out. If it doesn't come, just put one screwdriver here and then just twist it. There is a small spring lock that will be unlocked and your motor will be removed. And so it's the plug for the motor is over here. You just need to put a screwdriver through here, push it in, or through here, push it down, and then pull it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this video will help the Nissan Elgrand owners. Cheers, thank you, bye.